Briana. Congratulations to all my 2019 graduates. Give yourself a pat on the back. Not everyone graduates high school and not everyone finishes high school, but you did. You made it. I'm just so proud of y'all. Like, I'm a 2016 graduate. And it wasn't easy for me to finish high school. I struggled and I almost didn't even graduate. So I'm proud of all of you guys. If you're graduating soon, then this is a makeup tutorial for you. And just a little word of advice: if you're passionate about something, if you're really interested in something, then pursue it. Don't just follow what people want or tell you to do. Do what you want to do. And whatever that is, you will make a lot of money with it as long as you're passionate about something. So with that being said, let's get to this video. And yes, I know I'm wearing a wig. I was tired. Like, I just wanted to put something on because I don't feel like doing my hair. Like, let's just be real. So yeah, if you're interested in getting this look, then just keep on watching. So I've been trying out this new, it's not new, it's a face wash, and it's by Shiseido. It's called White Lucent Brightening Cleansing Foam. And I really like this product for if you're about to do your makeup. This is bomb. This is really bomb because it just makes my skin super soft and like it feels very clean. So now since I wash my face using the Hydro Boost water gel, and I really like this product on oily skin, but on my dry skin I feel like it doesn't really do much. Like, I would have to use a lot of product, and this is like not cheap. I mean, it's a good moisturizer. It's just not my favorite. It goes quickly. Like, I barely have any product and I had it for like a month or two. I have a big mirror, so we're gonna see how my makeup's gonna turn out because I could barely see. So I'm gonna do the other eyebrow. Do the other eyebrow off camera because this is super difficult. This is what they look like. I had to do them off camera because I need to figure out a better way of like showing you guys my eyebrows without having this big mirror in it. But yeah, that's what they look like. They're ugly because I need to get them done, so don't judge me. All right, thank you. I'm trying to decide which Caucasian color I should use. This Caucasian color, light ivory, or this Caucasian color, beige. Well, I'm just gonna use this up. So all the products are gonna be down below, so if I don't mention, it's gonna be down there. My life has been interesting so far. I do school full-time, so that's like mainly the reason why I haven't been on YouTube, but like I really wanted to, but then again I got discouraged because I'm like, who's watching this? Like, nobody. But it's, to me, it's fun. Like, regardless if it's like a couple people watching, I think it's lit. And like, I enjoy doing makeup, and I do makeup on the side, kind of, but making videos is fun to me, so I'm gonna get more into it. I want to do more videos. I honestly would love to do a video where I'm like high and I try to do my makeup. So shoot, I might. We'll see. Let me know if you guys want to see maybe like get ready with me while high or something like that. Like, I'd be down. I'm so down. But yeah, like, life's been cool or whatever. I was struggling in, what was it called, statistics. He made assignments extremely difficult. Like, we would have to do packets every single day that we came into his class, and he would do it on the board for us and we would copy it down. Like, how is that learning? That's not learning. So I don't know, I just feel like if you're a teacher, you should want your students to pass, right? Like, he did not want us to pass at all. Like, that wasn't the goal. It was very frustrating. I ended up with a 69% and I came to him crying, like, I don't know what to do. And then like, he eventually fixed my grade towards the end. Like, it was just stress. But we're fine now. We're about to graduate community college and then go to the big college and get our bachelor's. Then we're gonna get our master's. Then we're gonna get our PhD. I mean, that's all I do is like I go to school and like that's my life. Hey guys, so unfortunately I lost literally all the footage of me doing my eyeshadow, which I really wanted you guys to see, but I'm just not finna like film that again. So I'm gonna kind of tell you right now what I did really quick. So I used a peachy shade out of the JACLYN Hills palette, and I used that peachy shade as the first shade, and I just put that all on top of my crease, and then I put a red brick color underneath that and I blended that out. Then I put a dark purple on the corner of my crease and blended that out. And then I just cut my crease and put in some gold. So I really hope that made sense. Okay, now that I'm done doing my lashes, I am gonna start to do the face. The POREFESSIONAL. This is my favorite primer out of all primers. I need to try some more primers, but this has been a fave. I think it probably works best for people who have like big pores or oily skin, but it works for my dry skin as well. My makeup always comes out looking flawless when I use this, and I like to let that just sink in for a minute. So I'm back and I got it's a little dirty, don't mind it, it's been through a lot. So I'm gonna mix some foundations. I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me, and it's the matte poreless one, normal to oily. I'm not oily, so I guess I'm normal dry, and it's the matte one in the color 338. It's honestly a pretty accurate shade, but I like this formula and I don't have it in my shade, and it's a little dark, so this is gonna make my foundation a little bit dark. So I'm gonna just put it on my face everywhere. And I like these foundations together because they don't cake up and I don't look a hot ghetto mess. We love that. Okay, sis looks good. Like, she looks good. On to concealer. I use the Fit Me concealers. These are super bomb. These are the best drugstore concealers ever, because the formula is super smooth and I could carve out my eyebrows easily, and it's bomb. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this underneath my eyes. It's not really my shade, it is, but it's a little bit kind of my foundation color. So I put a little bit of this underneath. Like, look how smoothly it just applied my concealer, just like that. Like, that's what I do. And then next I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I just put this on top because it's summer and I need a little bit but not a lot because it's starting not to be my shade anymore. Yeah, we're just gonna start blending. And make sure you get in there. Like, I kind of hurt people's eyes when I do their makeup because I get in there because it gets all creasy and ugly if you don't. Oh. And then as that's on my face, we're going to contour a little bit. And I don't put it up here because it's ooh. And I'm gonna use Laura Mercier, of course. I need to invest in some more powders, actually, because that's literally the only powder I use. I try to use, what's it called? Airspun, but it dries me out. Like, I already have dry skin, so it just makes it look more dry and cracky. So I'm gonna use my favorite contour palette, the BH Cosmetic contour palette. Let's just use this color. I want to use Milani powder blush. This is in the color Coral Cove, and it's super pretty. I hope you guys can see it. It's super pretty. I don't like this brush for that. And I feel like Milani, their blushes aren't like super like intense, which I don't mind, but I like my blush a little bit intense, so we're gonna get a different blush and put that on top of that. And this is from City Color Glow Pro. I love this palette. I think I picked it up at like Burlington, but it's really good. We're just gonna lightly dust on some blush. I really love blush. I really do. It just like puts color to my skin. Like, I don't look so dull. Highlighting brush. This is the best type of brush to use for this one, because you could blend it out a little bit because it gets intense, so beware. And I'm gonna dip a little bit, just a little bit. Oof. That was just a little bit. And do you see this? Like, this is serious. We didn't come to play. And I put a little bit on my nose. I'm gonna put some more because I like shimmery noses. Cute. Okay, and then put a little bit down here. Put a little bit over here on the other side, even though you guys can't even see that. I like to put some on the center because that's where the light shines. Up here, Cupid's bow. So I'm going to take a small brush. Any kind of brush would work as long as it's small. I'm going to go back into those same colors that I used previously, and we're just going to blend out the bottom. I'm going to take more product. And I'm not going to use all the colors that I was using because I'm kind of lazy. We're going to use this, even though I don't like it that much. We're going to use a little bit. Okay. We're going to put some mascara at the bottom of our lashes. Alright. And we're ready to go. All we need is some gloss. You can use any type of gloss. I'm just using a regular gloss that I found somewhere in my drawer. And voila. Lips are looking kissable. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. It was a lot of fun to make, and I just want to say again, I'm so proud of all of you guys if you're graduating this year. that's a big accomplishment, so be proud of yourself. And there will be more videos coming soon. I want to do a video at least once a week, so that is coming up. And I kind of want to do a video where I'm getting high while I'm getting ready or something like that. I don't know if you guys are interested in it, but let me know down below if you are. And that's it. All right, see you in the next one. Subscribe.